In this lesson, we will be going over a open voicing technique. Like we said earlier, we will be not using or teaching you songs per se, but we will give you tools and methods how to play those songs, hopefully a little bit better. So a very popular voicing style today is more like what we call an open voicing. And we will give you a very simple version of that. And we will be using the key of F as an example of this. And like we said earlier, we're using the number system. So in this case, key of F, 1 flat. Our right hand will play and only play 5, 1, and 5 of the key of F. So 5, 1, and 5 of key of F. Very open sounding with 4th and 5th and octave in your right hand. And our left hand will be playing this progression. It's a 4 chord, but we will not play the full chord. We will play basically the 1 and 5 of the B flat of the 4 chord. And then we'll be moving to a 1 over 3, which would be the F chord, but A in bass, the 3rd in bass. So it would be called 1/3. And then we play a 5 chord. However, again, we don't play the full chord, we just play the root and the 5th of that. And then we play a 6 chord. And likewise, we just play the root and the 5th of that. And now we put our hands together. So we start with the 4 chord in our left hand. And right hand plays 5, 1, 5. Then we move over to 1 over 3. Then we move to 5 and to 6. And let's go over there again. 4 chord, in which case it's actually a 4 with the added 2. Then 1 over 3. 5. In this case, it's 5 suspended. The 6th chord is a minor 7. There's the 7th note. And again, we could reverse the last 2, going to 6 first, and then 5, or add a little bit of rhythm. Reverse here again, 6 to 5. Then as you get familiar and more comfortable with this, you could start adding a little bit of other notes in your right hand. Now let's go over a couple of other keys, the key of C and key of G. In key of C, again using numbers, the right hand will be playing 5 and the root or the 1 and the 5 again in your right hand. And now we're starting with a 4 chord, which is F in key of C. 1 over 3, 6 and 5, 4, 1 over 3, let's reverse here, 6 and 5. And now finally, let's do the key of G as well. And now we do 5, 1, 5 in the key of G, starting with the left hand with a 4 chord, 1 over 3, 5 and 6, 4, 1 over 3, let's reverse, 6 and 5. And again, a little bit of rhythm.